How to fix the sound not working on your Chromebook. So whether you can't hear any sound through your speakers or your headphones, I'm going to show you how to go and solve this issue. Now, first thing you need to do is just click on the taskbar in the bottom right hand side. You could then click on the drop down next to the power icon and just click on restart. Sometimes a simple restart can go and fix simple issues. If it doesn't work, then open up the start menu and click on settings. Over on the left hand side, we need to click on device. Now click on audio, and here you'll see your output settings. Now for the speaker, this is where you want your sound to be playing out from. So go and click on the drop down arrow, and you're either going to have this set to your speaker or your headphones, depending on where you want your sound playing out from. Make sure the volume slider is turned up like this, and once you've done this, you can check to see if it solves the issue. If it's still not working, then come down to the bottom and click on About Chrome and click on the Check for Updates button. Just make sure your software is fully up to date, and if it's still not working, there's one final solution. To go and open up Google Chrome. In the address bar, type in chrome://flags and then press enter. Now over on the top right hand side, click on this Reset All button. You'll then need to press Restart, and once your Chromebook's restarted, that should have now solved your audio issue.